She's ready. She's ready. It's about to rain in a couple hours. Let's get it done. What do I got here? What do I got here? He's gotta get tired first. He's gotta get tired. He's gotta get tired. There we go. That's what's up on the kayak. Got him. What we got there? On the blade bait. I've been trying to frog since I got here with no luck. For an hour I've been throwing that frog. I was like, man, I just want to catch one frog in my life. Nope. Gotta get this bad boy instead. Oh. Look at that. That's what's up. Man, I should have had my GoPro on. What we got here? First one of the day. It's a thinker, but I'll take it. I'll take it. Thinker. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's what's up. Another thinker. Thinkers leave love too. Number 4, come on. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good one. Might need the net on this one. Of course, I want to go all the way back here. my god, I'm scared it's gonna rip off. Oh shit. Oh, it's a catfish. His foul hook, but you know what? I'll take it. I'll take it. What we got here? Another dinker. Oh, he came off. Oh, it wasn't even a dinker. All right, don't jump, don't jump, don't jump. All right, it's a good one. Oh, it's a good one. Oh, you gonna take all my line or what? Oh, I hope it's not a carp, bro. Oh man, come on. Needed to get tired. Oh, he broke it. Ah, you motherfucker, bro. I knew I shouldn't have did that. I knew it, man. Oh man, I'm impatient. Took my lure. Oh man, it had to be a carp. I need some bigger line, bro. This P line just killed me with this P line, bro. That was a nice one, bro.
How do you say that? Devonian period, some 360 million years ago. You might be surprised to learn that sharks are older than trees. They've been around for at least 400 million years. That's crazy.
Again, bro.
That's fucking
So, I mean, does it make, did life?
Oh man, I'm getting tired of this fucking
water?
line.
Yeah, mostly.
Oh, that's the second one that broke off of the
But
line.
imagine just like what shark went up onto the land and became a tree. You know what I mean?
I don't think it works that way.
Well, I don't know how it worked. I wasn't there, but there's must have been like some kind of amoeba or life form.
That's two already.
Yeah.
All right. Looks like it's a. Haven't caught nothing in an hour. Throw my damn net rig. Got him.
Just know
Got him,
what
boy.
the shape of your vocal box was. Like, I think that's one of the ways that when they look at ancient primates.
So glad I learned to.
Like the size of those.
So glad I learned how to do a net rig, bro. Cause man, haven't caught nothing in an hour. Lost two big ass fish. Broke off. Fucking P line bullshit.
So weird how, like,
Never had.
were they wrong?
Never had so many breakoffs.
The noises that dinosaurs make. I don't think they know. I don't think they know. I mean, if you watch Jurassic Park.
Number 5 though.
Because you like if you ask someone to make a dinosaur noise,
Yeah.
they're gonna do like.
Right, but what benefit would it be for a dinosaur?